Hello class, in this video I'm going to show you how to transform square root function square root of x to g of x, square of negative x plus 5 and plus 1. This process involves multiple transformations, so the order of the transformations doesn't matter. Let's analyze the function here. G of x equals, one way to rewrite the daughter function is to factor the coefficient of x out. In this case, the coefficient of x is -1. We factor -1 out, we have x minus 5 in the parentheses. So from this structure, the structure of this function, we can sort out the steps of the transformations. We start from the mother function root x, right? And what's the change with the transformation that is closest to x? Knowing the closest to x is the -1 here. Okay, not plus 5 or minus 5, is minus x, multiplied by -1. So the next step is we multiply the input by -1. And that transformation is to flip the graph over the vertical scale, right? And then from here, we're going to apply some transformation to x. Here we're going to do x minus 5. So I'm going to write this step is to flip over y-axis. And from this square of negative x to square of negative x minus 5, since we are minusing 5 from x, we are shifting to the right. Shifting to the right 5 units. And the next step, the whole function is going to shift upwards 1 unit. So shift up 1 unit. So if we, let's use the bottom left graph to demonstrate the change. The mother function, right? And then after we multiply the input by x, we flipped over the vertical scale. And then shift to the right 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have this. And then shift upward 1 unit. And you have this. Well, my graph is not very accurate, but the steps right here is the correct order of those 3 transformations from the parent function root x to the g.